Astana Pro Tech LLP, with the support of the Science Foundation, presents a mobile facility for highly efficient processing of farm products using the lyophilization method, freeze-drying. Processing of fruit and berry raw materials, both cultivated and wild, for the purpose of their further use in the food industry as natural additives. To process these raw materials, freeze-drying technology, also known as lyophilization, is used. The products obtained after sublimation can be preserved for long-term storage and subsequently restored with water without losing their consumer qualities: taste, smell, texture, biologically active substances, vitamins. The facility is a mobile, autonomous solution for processing any farm products using the lyophilization method. The proposed facility consists of 3 main modules located on the chassis of an off-road truck. Control of the facility and monitoring of operating parameters can be carried out either directly next to the facility using a remote terminal or remotely. Optionally, a satellite communication module can be installed. The vacuum chamber of the facility has a system for automatic opening, forced ventilation, and removal of ice from the surface of the desublimator. The freeze-drying process is divided into several stages. At the first stage, the material is frozen completely until ice forms. At the second stage, primary drying occurs by sublimation of ice. The pressure in the drying chamber is significantly lower than the vapor pressure of the ice due to the vacuum. The product heats up and the sublimation process begins. Water vapor from inside the product rises to its surface and is then collected on a condenser. At the same time, pores form in the product due to the space previously occupied by ice crystals. During the second stage, residual water is removed by desorption from the dried product layer. This stage is carried out by increasing the temperature and by reducing the steam pressure in the drying chamber. Next, the dried product is packaged in vacuum bags made of high-density polyethylene. In this form, the product can be stored in a warehouse without special cooling systems at room temperature for a period of 1 to 3 years without loss of quality.